this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your money from Astropay, especially for those people that are actually in Nigeria. So, and if you're not in Nigeria and if you're in another country, I hope this tricks work for you. Actually, there are 2 to 3 ways in which you can withdraw your money from Astropay. As you can see here from this video that's actually showing below, the money was sent to me, then I transfer it back, then I also sent from here. So let me show you the notification. As you can see here, I receive a certain amount of money from this user, and I also receive from this user. I receive from this user, from this user, from this. I don't receive from here. I receive from this user again, and I also receive from this user. And as you can see, my balance here is not showing that I have money here in this Naira account because I've already withdrawn it. So now the step 1 method is for you to come below here under this transfer. When you click it, then you are going to see sent to a contact, to a crypto wallet, or to bank accounts, which is the third option here. Now to send to a contact, you have to save the contact of the person to your phone. Now let me see, the only person that I actually use send for contact is this user right here. So, and I haven't used send to a crypto wallet before, but I've already used to a bank account. As you can see here, as you can see here, let's assume I have money here. If you show the bank account that was actually added to this account that I can send the money to, this is the method 1. Now the method 2, to send money, to withdraw money from this Astropay account, is to come to this section here under voucher. Here under voucher, then you click on voucher. When you click on voucher, you are going to click on new voucher. Then as you can see under here, we have NG and we have USD. So click on the NG, click on the NG here, and then you purchase the voucher, Astropay voucher, that's what the amount of money you want to withdraw from the Astropay account. Let's assume it is a 2000 naira Astropay voucher. Then as you can see, will you be paying with your bank account, card, or local distributor? If I choose bank, as I told you before, I already had a bank account to my Astropay account. As you can see, this is a Kuda bank. So you purchase the voucher and then you send the voucher pin to the person to withdraw it. That person must be using Astropay too. And then once it has been, the voucher has been redeemed, then the person can withdraw the money for you. The number 3 method to withdraw money from Astropay, this is actually very tricky, but it involves the use of external websites like those that accept Astropay to be used for payments. Now I'll be showing you my Best Niger account that you can use it to withdraw money from Astropay. Let me quickly show you. Now you are going to log into your Bet Niger account. Once you log into your Bet Niger account, you are going to click on your account dashboard here. Then when you click on it, you are going to click on deposit money. Then you click on deposit money. Once you click on deposit money, you wait for it to load finish. Once it's load finish, you are going to see a page like this. So just click on the order here, and when you click on order, you are going to see Astropay. As you can see, Astropay, you click on the Astropay, then you enter the amount of money you want to withdraw from the Astropay to your Bet Niger account. So let's assume it is 2000 naira. Then you click on continue. So it's going to take you to a page that you should log into your Astropay account by entering the phone number and everything, so that you can use the Astropay to deposit the money to the Bet Naija account. Then from the Bet Naija account, you are going to withdraw it straight to your bank account. Now let me enter the phone number. Then you click on continue. Then an OTP will be sent. So this is the OTP that was sent. So then it's telling you that which method are you going to use to pay on the Astropay. You are going to choose Astropay balance. Then add funds to your Astropay wallet and complete your deposit. Then you click on. The funds will actually be available in your bank account, in your Astropay account already. Sure, you understand? So you just click on the funds that is there already, and the money will be deposited to your Bet Naija account from your Astropay account. Then from the Bet Naija account, you can withdraw the money back to your bank account. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment, share, and invite your friends. So see you in the next video.